Hi folks, the April data is in for all real estate prices and all transactions across the GTA. We have some interesting news. Before I get into all that, there's been some people that are asking me, what about this area, what about that area, and I don't cover it in this presentation. That's just because there's way too much to cover. But if you go to VaughanRealEstateInsider.com, there's a download that also deals with a bunch of different areas there. And if your neighborhood's not there, just give me a call or send me an email. I'm happy to send you the information for your particular neighborhood. So as I said, the April numbers are in, and you're going to be hearing broadcast everywhere that the sales numbers are down 32%. And they're going to tell you that prices are down 12.4% for the month of April. That sounds terrible, I know, but remember what's happening here. They're comparing April this year to April last year, and I've been saying for a while now, the problem with that is that the first 4 months of last year were record-setting months. Let's take a little bit closer look at what's happening with TREB. And if we look at a month-to-month ratio here, we look a month-to-month chart, I should say, every single month this year, so January, February, March, and April, there's been an increase across the GTA, an increase in prices every single month. That's fantastic news. You're not hearing much about this because they're comparing this year to last year, but if we look at month to month to month, prices are going up. The impact of that is I've personally spoken with a lot of people that have said this January, said, yeah, you know, I want to buy, but prices are going down, I'm waiting. So I asked, you know, what makes you think prices are going down? And they say, well, we hear about it in the news. Well, in fact, prices have been going up every month. Now, I'm talking in general right now because different neighborhoods have reacted differently, and we'll talk about that shortly. But in general, prices have been going up. So those of you that have been thinking, I'm thinking of waiting, prices will be better next month, they haven't been. In fact, in general, across the GTA, we are sitting at an 11-month high right now for prices. Let's look at this a little bit closer, and let's look at one particular area. Let's look at Vaughan, and let's look at detached houses, and prices went up from March to April, 3.5%. That's a big increase. Now, if we look at January to April, prices have gone up by 80,000. So if you're one of those people on the fence thinking that prices are going down, I should wait, well, they've gone up 80,000, and we're heading into the spring market, typically our most aggressive part of the year as far as real estate prices go. So something to look out for. But I'm saying they've gone up, but let's look at some of the individual neighborhoods. We could see that Vellore Village went up month to month. They've gone up the last 2 months in a row. So from one month to another, they've gone up 6.3%. And Sonoma Heights, which is right beside, actually went down 2.2%. When we look at East Woodbridge compared to West Woodbridge, East Woodbridge went down and West Woodbridge went up last month. West Woodbridge went up over 14%, and so far since November actually they've shown a decline every month, but this month huge, 14%. That's $120,000 increase in the average price. So different neighborhoods do react differently, and again, we look at Kleinburg and we look at Islington Woods. Kleinburg went down, Islington Woods went up 18%. Patterson and Maple, they're two neighborhoods side by side. Maple went up 1.1%, just slightly, but Patterson went up 3.2%. The moral of the story is, listen to the overall trends for sure. It's important to know. Your neighborhood is really what should concern you. So if you're looking to sell, you want to know what's happening in the few streets around you and what's the trend. And if you're looking to buy, you want to know the same information. What are houses costing? Are they going down? Are they going up? Should I be buying now? Should I wait? This is all data. This is all information that could help you make the right decisions. There's a whole bunch more numbers I've analyzed in this past month's market report. Go to VaughanRealEstateInsider.com. You can get all the information there, free downloads, everything you need. If you have any questions, call or text me. Have a great day.